Today we will be reading Chapter 10 of Dr. Dolittle. This will be our final chapter for this story. Remember our expectations. You should have a calm, quiet body. Use our listening ears. Keep your heart and brain in the group. And use your words. Can you all show me that you are ready to learn? So remember, here are some of our main characters. We have Dr. Dolittle here with our black top hat. And remember his bird, Polynesia. These will be some important characters in this chapter. So first we'll recap last chapter, which was chapter 9, Pirates. Polynesia, our bird, Chi-Chi, the monkey, and our friend the crocodile stay in Africa. It's time for Dr. Dolittle to go home. He's leaving on this boat. The pirates wanted his boat. Once they got to it, they sink the boat, shown down here at the bottom. So we're going to find out what happens next. Chapter 10 is titled Going Home. Chapter 10, Going Home. Dr. Dolittle finds a boy. The pirates stole the boy. So here's the boy that Dr. Dolittle found. And he saved them from the pirates. Do you think Dr. Dolittle was scared or surprised to find a boy? I'll give you a second to answer that and think about it. Next page. Jip finds the boy's uncle. The pirates stole the uncle. Dr. Dolittle saves them. So it looks like the pirates stole the boy and his uncle. Dr. Dolittle, it might be hard to see. He's in the rocks here. He saved both the boy and his uncle. So if he saved a boy and his uncle, do you think Dr. Dolittle is a good guy or a bad guy? I'll give you a second to think about that one. Yeah, Dr. Dolittle should be seen as good for saving these people from the bad pirates. People were happy that Dr. Dolittle helped the boy and his uncle. Can you show me your best happy face? We'll turn our page to page 54. Will Dr. Dolittle see Chi-Chi again? Will Dr. Dolittle see Polynesia again? What do you think? So our question is, will Dr. Dolittle see Chi-Chi, our monkey, and Polynesia, the bird, again? Do you think he will see them again? Yes or no? I'll give you a second to answer that because we're not sure. And our last question of the day, Dr. Dolittle is finished. This was our last chapter. Did you like the story? Yes or no? And then we can work on making a comment about the story. I thought parts of the story were scary. You can tell me how you felt in a part of the story. Great job today, everyone. This is where we'll end.